Good morning, grade 4, and welcome. Today is our last lesson for the term. So we're going to end this lesson by doing a review of what we did this term. In chapter 6, we looked at the importance of animal life. We said that animals eat, grow, and reproduce. Animals have instincts that help them survive, whereas human beings have free will. It is important to take care of animals and their habitats. Both plants and animals are needed to help keep the balance of nature. And in chapter 7, we looked at what it means to be alive, some signs. Living things make and use energy to keep on living. Living things grow and develop. Living things respond to things outside of themselves. Living things reproduce. Flowers make both sperm and egg cells. When a sperm cell joins an egg cell, together they form a seed. Okay, one of the questions you had to answer was, how does a plant form a seed? And the answer is, when a sperm cell joins an egg cell, together they form a seed. Then another question was, why do you think that different plants make different grains of pollen? Each kind of plant makes more of its own kind. Okay? So in order for that species to go on, well then that plant will have to make its own kind of pollen so that that species can carry on. Then we asked, why are birds and flying insects important in pollination? Birds and insects have an important part to play in passing on life. Right? So when they fly from flower to flower, sometimes they take the pollen with them, and then in that way they pass on new life. And finally, what does this fact say about preserving all living things? We need to preserve all living things because they all depend on one another. So all living things are interdependent, or they depend on one another, either directly or indirectly. Okay? Good. And then we went on to chapter 8, creating new life. We said that some fish eggs are fertilized outside of the female fish's body. Bird eggs are fertilized inside the female bird's body. Mammals feed their babies milk. They have hair or fur and a backbone. Okay, so that is basically it, what we covered for this term. I'm going to give you a word search to do. You can complete that in your own time, and I will also put up some music for you to dance along as you do your word search. Okay? So hopefully when I see you in the new term, you will be in grade 5, growing up every day. But what I would advise you to do is to read a book, right? Even if it's just one book before school reopens. All right? And make reading a hobby, a practice. It will help you. Okay? So continue being safe, practicing good safety rules, and I will see you next term. Bye-bye.